I'm starting this demonstration off with no weight on the bar so you can make sure you can see my legs. This is a straight leg dead. Very similar to your actual deadlifts. You'll push your hips back, you'll fold yourself in half, bringing your chest to the floor. Your feet are shoulder width apart, and you're really straightening your legs, feeling a stretch in your hamstrings, maybe low glutes. Unlike the traditional deadlift, your legs are bent and you're feeling it more in your glutes. This one is hamstring. You'll see here from the front view, my hands are just in front of my legs, my feet are shoulder width apart, and my feet are facing forward. Core tight, standing up and squeezing my glutes. Now when we put weight on the bar, whether you have bumper plates or traditional, the same goes for everything. You're going to approach the bar, bringing it to your shins. The bar will go straight up and down, and you're going to keep your legs straight. You'll notice there's a slight bend in mine, but more straight than a traditional deadlift. My back is straight as well, core tight, hips back, and the bar again is going straight up and down.